Alright, let's see what we can do here. Okay, well, here we go. From this side to where? Break through the vent. Let's go. Where are we going now? This is not the correct place. Okay. Can I increase the FOV of the game? There is no options like that. What's everyone playing lately? Anybody here already grinding Pet Hooligan? Okay. This is the correct way.
Hey,
We meet
can
with
you
somebody,
hear
you
me? Am I
know?
on? Okay, I
Hello.
found a room with a lot of buttons, but
What a buddy.
yeah, there's a lot of buttons. Hey, maybe if you break some stuff, that door will open.
Yes, yes, of course. Hello. If I start screaming in the next 10 minutes, just know the game deserved. Break stuff by shooting. No ammo?
All right, I'm not gonna ask why that works, but
Okay.
wow,
It
hey,
worked.
I've got a hand into a big year in the tight operation. Yes, that's
What
what
now?
slave labor will get for you. Huh. Oh yeah, escape, right? There's a way out near the top. Here, keep going.
Where?
Oh, okay, wait. I can get that door. Just a sec. Keep yourself
Thank you, buddy.
busy.
You're so not kind.
Nice.
What's
if you're
everyone
gonna
playing
get through that
lately?
steam,
Anybody
alright,
here
you're gonna
already
have to be
grinding
quick.
Pet Hooligan? Oh, there's one more way. This side. How do I go there? Oh, right here. Oh shit.
Whew, whew. Okay, let's not worry about the long-term health effects of that one. Use that carrot.
I'm using it. We're good now. This game is funny, man.
Hey,
So
pick
silly.
up that water pistol to reload your ammo.
Okay, I did.
Maybe there's a jump pad you can use to get up to the next level.
Oh, one more weapon here. That's nice. There's no way. Oh, we have to go upside. How do we go there? How do we climb there? Let me see. Let me think. Come on, buddy. Reach the next floor. Give me ideas. Maybe we go from this side. Almost got it. No. How is everyone doing, guys? Are you familiar with this game? This game has nice graphics. Do I have any abilities to go there? Let me try something. No, it doesn't work. Let me see. Let's see. There's no doors. Slowed. Use a jump pad. Is this a jump pad? No, this is not a jump pad. There should be a jump pad around here. This one? Oh yes. Nice. Feel like I'm going to fight here. Come on, man. Almost. Oh, yes.
Oh, look at
Yes.
you go. Thank you. See, I knew I picked a good one. Hey, there's a bat up ahead. Might come in handy.
Let's go. Anybody here already grinding Pet Hooligan?
Hey, break those already.
Nice. We're gonna fight soon. Break office supplies. Keep destroying everything. Gaming computers. We don't need gamers.
Oh, right! Oh, wrong one. Alright, but there's some...
Open door, Hooligan. Alright. Spray paint. 5.
Oh, good. I'm sure you're going to be very mature with that.
That's stupid.
Sounds like someone dropped a bomb in here. Oh! See what I did there? Pardon us, sir. Just come
There was someone here. What up, buddy? Sorry. What now? One more weapon. Ooh, that's a sniper.
Important news. So curious. I'm more imposing and more powerful looking today.
Are they
Well,
friendly or?
I got the new boot model installed. I've been talking about it for a couple months on and off. Which means
Don't shoot,
that I
man.
will
Don't
be
shoot. I'm friendly.
cubicle and playing my favorite.
Oh, I'm gonna die. Dang, he's strong.
Is that a hooligan?
What should we try next,
Him down!
guys? What should we try next? Whoa, what is that?
My sweet boy, my favorite of the cutie boss.
Don't cry, man. Okay, let's see what we can do
Thursday
here.
meeting feel like a rat. Now I met a Zoxad. Randy 2. Avenge your brother, Randy 1.
Eliminate Randy 2. Where is Randy 2? Where is him? Where is he? How do you find him? Should we still destroy? So he will come back? How's it going, guys? How are we doing? Let's see, work is dump. Okay. I don't know how to get this guy. Admit Randy. How can I find Randy? Can I open the door? No. What am I supposed to do here? We got a sound. Oh, okay, maybe here. No. Let's see if we can find Randy. Randy, where are you, buddy? Where is Randy? Is he hiding? Do you guys know this game? Man, there's a bad guy here. I think I need to break this. No ammo? That sucks. I'm kinda confused. How do I kill that guy? If there's nobody here, how am I supposed to kill the guy? Defeat Randy. Who's Randy? I think the door is gonna open if we break the cameras. Can we open the door by shooting these screens? I'm confused. Hello, Domerin. Welcome. How are we doing? So how do I find this guy? Where do I find it? It's a button, no? What is that? I'm supposed to kill someone here. I don't know where he is. Let's break everything. How's it going, bruh? How are you doing? It doesn't allow me to go from this side. Then how can I go? What am I supposed to do here? Is there any other way that I'm missing? Oh yes. Should I go back? So I have to go here. Door is already closed. Are you still playing the football game? Oh, I came back. Okay. I think I understand now. You have to come back to fight that guy. Yes, of course. How is the stream, guys? Is it good? Everything's good? The sound, microphone, game quality, everything's fine? We need to find someone called Randy too. I have no idea who's Randy and where I can find him. Dang. Okay, so we came back here. I have the ammo, but we need the weapons. Nice. I already killed Randy, man. He was here. Killed him already. Do you guys hear me? Hello? Yes, you can hear me. If you know, please let me know. How can I pass from this part? What am I supposed to do here? I need to kill someone, but I don't know where he is. Doesn't do anything, man. Where can I find him? Maybe we need to break the screen? No. Alright chat, let's see how much trouble we can cause today. I think this is tutorial. We can leave the match and turn off the tutorial. Okay.
How you gonna stop what you can't catch in your own zone? Our minutes up, I don't patrol, messing up the ozone. Chaos where we thrive, no pressure, we stay in beast mode. Step up, bro, can't be caught slipping. Why that's a no-no, what we got control, nobody got nothing to say about it. Do something about it, what meets you where you stand at it. Never bad down from a challenge, we be the first to take it. Win, lose or draw, we keep it coming till we reign. Champion road jumper, represent us, action bound. Bang with it, hooligan for life, and I'm damn so proud of it. Eyes on the mission, we hit and stay focused. I don't fell in love and who care about our men. Word on the street, them road jumper, beat them savages. Some baby walkers, air faction, know what time it is.
Alright. Start. Go to hideout. Okay, this is our house. Looks good. The songs are crazy. Action. Play. Find the game. Play online. Join server. Why offline? I'm playing. Join server. Let's try this way. Maybe it's gonna find a game. Okay, I understand. I understand. You have two options. You can play offline or online. So we are now connecting to online server. Sorry guys, I had to figure out what am I doing here. Yo, what's up everybody? Hope your day is going good. We are jumping into some Pet Hooligan cows today. Everything's going fine. Good to see you guys. Hopping in already. Hopefully it's gonna find game because maybe there's not many players playing the game. Let's see. This my story, cold-blooded bunny born of the underbelly Elliot is Zuckered society. They can try all they wanna, but can't stop this monster inside of me. Nice. I'm really happy that the game has started. Game has started. So happy. The game looks crazy good. Let's find people. First, let's find the ammo weapon. Need to find a weapon, no? We have a knife too. This is so silly. I'm not sure if there are people here in the game. Get out of here. Not sure if there are people in the game. Where am I? Okay, I see. Let's find people. I think there are people here. Man, how come there's no people here in the game? It's a crazy game. Shotgun. Welcome to Fortnite. Bazooka, right? I think I have to kill these robots. What is that? The game looks so good, dude. I'm sorry, Burger King. I'm sorry. Hello, hello. Who's asking for pizza? This is so silly. I remember people used to play this game. Not anymore. Hello. Someone is singing. Hello? That's not the guy who's singing. There's someone who's singing. What is that? Oh, this is bazooka. I left my weapon now. Yo guys, please don't forget to like the stream if you enjoy watching the game. Right on target. Hello, pizza. We are causing so many problems. He's angry. I'm sorry. They keep respawning. Wow, the bullets are going so slow. I thought I'm gonna play against people. Somehow there's no players in the game. Dang. Ooh, I hurt myself. Oh shit. I need to heal, I need to heal, I need to heal. Oh. Dang. That's funny, man. That's really funny. I thought I have entered a lobby where I can play against other people. But where is the people? Let me change some settings and make sure everything's smooth, and we're gonna go search a new game because I think I have selected a different game mode. Let me see if I can find an online game. Okay, this one. This was the one I was looking for. Yeah, this is gonna be multiplayer. Let's see. Please guys, don't forget to like the stream and subscribe if you enjoy watching games. This bunny is about to become a criminal mastermind. I tried this game like 1 year ago and really liked the game, so good. I'm slightly excited for the game because the graphics are so crazy good, music, and this guy is so funny. Let's see. Come on, man, find me people, please. That's very important for us. Have you guys tried this game before? Yes. Hi, this is my teammate, sorry. Alright. We have started. Let's get the weapon. Get the high ground. Gotcha! Nice! Dang! Am I dead? What is happening? Where are you running? Where are you running? You're very low, man. Rabbit. Yeah, they are real players. That's nice. Ooh, this is crazy. Let's go. Oh, what I have done. I killed my teammate as well, I guess, with that thing. That sucks. Gotcha. Oh man, I haven't seen you. Where were you? Hmm. He's dead. Can I chat with these people? It's so funny, man. It's crazy. He was standing still all the time. Should get away. Stay away from this robot. What is that? Ooh. An automatic weapon. Gotcha. One more. Oh shit, nice shot. He was crazy good. He was good, actually. What is this thing? Oh, I got something. Aww. You're 1 HP? Let me finish you. Good job, buddy. Hello. This guy is good. Come on, man, hit this guy. What's happening? Oh, I got this already. I need to heal. I am very low. Don't kill me, guys. I'm very low. How can I heal, by the way? Don't hit me. I need to heal. Oh. Nice. Whew. Let's go back and fight. Man, this guy has good aim. What the heck? No, man. There was explosive. Man, This thing is hard. He almost killed me. Let me find the heal so I can heal. He's next to me. Right here. Nice. Gotcha. Why are you ignoring me, man? Why it doesn't explode? They already healed. I also need to heal. I need to heal. This is so stupid, man. Gotcha. Ooh, sniper. That's the best sniper. What are you doing? Oh shit. I have to heal, I have to heal, I have to heal. There's no heal. Hello? You're gonna kill yourself. Poor guy. I need to get the heal first. Don't run, come here. I don't wanna die. Where's the heal, please? Burning. Hello? Where did you go? He's fast. That's silly, man. I killed all of them, man. Can I check these people's profile and see if they are real or they are not real?
It's that Bob right here. Ha! Got Bunny Holiday in the building. That's right. I also the homie Six. What up, sweetness?
Okay, this is gonna be fun.
Look, smooth criminal, the hooligans with freaking side intelligence, the bouncers of the factions, and we ain't the ones to play with. Real hooligans gotta move in silence. We calculated step to overgrow our finances. Ain't patient when it come to what's ours. You gon' pay what you owe. Meet our soldiers in you a real hooligan, you gotta live by the oath. Playboy mafioso, Bunner McGregor, Playboy stat, be the cutthroat. Respect where you at, or you will lay down, bow pronto. Zubbox, ain't the one to worry about. If we on you, I'm for real though. We all about our K-go, live by the hustle. Ready for whatever if you cry.
It's a bad way.
Playboy faction rip proudly with
Roxanne. I'm trying to figure out the best way to approach this game. What's everyone playing lately? Let me know. You're my teammate, man. Don't shoot me. Okay, this is warm up. Oh, sorry. What are you doing, buddy? Gotcha. Better run. I missed all my shots. Nice try. There's someone on top, right? See you. No, here. Ah, he's one shot. He's my kill. He's my kill, buddy. Okay, we have heals too. Nice. Let's try to get closer. We can't hit this guy. What is this? Let's reload. Oh no, couldn't get closer. Dang. We're cooking. Let me refill my thing and I'll be back, guys. Oh shit, there's someone. Don't see me. Oh wait, I can't see them. Minimap. I'm very low. Yes. He was getting shot. He was getting shot. That's why he couldn't fight with me. Wait, what is that? Let's change this one. Let's see what is this doing. What is that? Spare ammo. What? I have no idea what is this. Smoke, right? Is this smoke? This is smoke, actually. Dang, this weapon is great. Doesn't see us, he doesn't see us. Smells kebab. I'm not winning, right? I'm winning, yes. Nice try, buddy. We go with this one. And we have a shotgun. We're good, we're good. Ooh, headshot. He had no chance. He's good. Holy. Almost killed me. Can we get better weapons? What is that? Oh, this is sniper. We go close range as well. Sniper and shotgun. That's the loadout. Fully heal and fight. Oh no! Don't jump that much. You rabbit. Gotcha. Ooh, nice kill. Please guys, don't forget to like the stream and let me know if you have played this game already. What do you think? I think this game is pretty silly and funny. It's free, you can play as well if you have PC. I'm not sure if this game is available for consoles. I think it's a good game. What we have played before was this one, right? Yes, let's go again to the same game mode. Don't forget to like this video, guys, and if you enjoy this kind of games, please consider subscribing. If you are new here, welcoming. We're just vibing and on Pet Hooligan. I think it's a good game. Hopefully there are gonna be more players in this game, so it's gonna be much more fun, more competitive. It has good music, by the way. I think I need to turn off the music. Let's turn the music down. Probably it is. Look at this beautiful map, man. Funny guy. Man, I was very low. Wake up, buddy. Sorry, buddy. Oh shit, oh shit. I miss. Oh, I miss. I'm below. Got no more ammo. I wish I could see heals in map. I wish I could see the heals in the map. Let's try. Don't run. Oh shit. My kill. Oh, run. How do you do that? I'm dead. I killed myself. We are not going easy on this guys, huh? Oh guys. How do they throw grenades, guys? He's fast. Nice try. You go really fast. Oh, I'm getting shot. Where are you going, bro? Oh, you have good weapon, man. Need to find heals. I'm very low. Where can I find the heals? On the bridge. Wake up. Where's the heal? There's no heals here. I need to heal, man. I need to heal. Boom. You dead. Nice. This game is really funny. I wish I could speak with the enemy teams. You guys, you think we win today or no? I have to turn off the music because I think it's copyrighted. What is this? Organized anarchy? Boom collapse. Let's try this one. I don't know, I don't know, I don't know, I don't know, I don't know. Yeah. I don't know nobody else. Without you, I'm nothing, nothing. This is funny, man. Are you AFK? I'm about to die. We have so many. Sorry, I stole your kill. No way. What is this? What is this thing? I wanna die. Where are you going, man? He's so fast. Gotcha. We are blasting. This guy is just sprinting. All headshots. Yes. I feel like these guys are controller. They're slow. Got no ammo? Oh, he killed me. Man, I was sandwich. Man, you're annoying. What is happening? Are you serious? All right, that was fun. We are running. Nice spot, huh? High ground. Dang, this weapon is crazy. Got a sniper? What the heck? What's happened? Are you stuck? Oh, poor guy. Let me help you. Wait. Gotcha. Not free. I suck. How about you alive, man? My mouse is so sensitive. I'm so low. 20 HP. Oh. Alright. Man, we are cooking. No way they can win this. Can't you run? Why are you stopping? Oh, someone's close. Above us or under us. Wow, nice try. Coming to get you. Wow. Wow, this weapon doesn't do any damage. Gotcha. Good job. That wasn't bad. Fun game. New game? Already started? Nice. Cool map. Wow. Sorry, man. I'm really sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. You gotta run. You better run. Did I kill myself? No, someone else killed me. You better run, buddy. Gotcha. Someone is having bad moments. Let's help them die. Man, this weapon is cooking. Come here. Haven't you found the weapon yet? Oh, so sorry. I'm a criminal. I'm not sure if I hurt myself with this weapon. You have nowhere to run. Oh, you've run out of ammo? That sucks, man. Oh, nice shot. Man, it's so hard. Oh shit, I killed myself. There was a heal here. Oh, 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 oh. Nice shot. Where were you going, buddy? Do you think you could make it? Nah. Gotcha. Gotcha. Oh no, man. Poor rabbit. Come here. Sorry, I stole your kills. Nice shot, buddy. What is that? You're shameless. The way she runs away. Oh man. My kill, my kill, my kill, my kill, my kill. Thanks for not stealing my kill. Nice. I'm sorry. Don't run, please. Just sit there. Hi, Goblin. In the carrot. How are you still alive, man? I'm very low. Oh no, I'm dead. Ooh. Dang. Did I kill myself now? All right, what else do we have? Street cred. What is that? What does it do, leaders? What about me? What is my 800? This guy has 2 millions. How do we get this? Okay, our position is 300. Position. So how do we get this monies? Just play the game? I think this game is really good, man. Record, replace. I really enjoy this game a lot. It deserves more attention. Find the game. Join server. How do we server? Join server. Window. EA. Okay. Let's go team deathmatch. Ba-da-ba-da-bum, ba-da-ba-da-bum, ba-dum. Ba-da-bum, ba-dum, ba-dum, bum. There's no way this guy is real, man. Unfortunately, this guy is not real. They are both. We have dynamite. How do we throw them? You were smart, huh? Staying here. 4 heals. You also died. I'm hungry. I know this hurts. Dang, he was smart. He just picked the heal. He was camping there. He's smart. Can I break this crystal? Where are you, my friends? Oh, I can't see them in the minimap. Oh, you had no heals now? Right on target. Oh, I'm dying. I'm gonna die. What the heck? Oh my god, I'm dead. Need to heal. The name of the guy is funny. His name is Bite Me Now. Oh, we can't break these crystals. What the heck is this place? Don't die. Don't die, I'm coming. Gotcha. Need a carrot to heal. Right there. Nice. What is this map? Most of the doors are unable to open. Man, this weapon is crazy. Oh shit. Oh shit. Stop. Damn, I'm very low. This guy is really camping. I have low HP. Hopefully he's not gonna see me. Don't see me, don't see me, don't see me. Nice, he wasn't able to load on time. Oh, we can't climb here. Oh shit, don't shoot me, I'm very low. I'm dead. I'm actually dead, yes. Oh shit, oh shit. Nice shot, bro. Oh, oh. Unstoppable Karen. Come on, Karen. Hello guys, welcome. Man, this guy's always camping here, always. And you? Oh, I'm so sorry. How do you get there always? Double kill? Yes. There's someone here, but where? Gotcha! I'm very low. Can I heal, please? Don't kill me. Unstoppable Karen. Can we get that? Sorry, buddy. Oh my god. We better run. We have 20 HP. There gotta be a carrot here. Nice. Oh. 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 No ammo? Are you crazy? Nice. What is that? Oh, 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 oh. I killed myself. Damn. Are you guys enjoying stream? Please don't forget to like the stream. Gotcha. Let's go. Please don't forget to like the stream, guys. Yeah. If you love rabbits, this is the best way for you. Don't forget to like the stream, please. Okay, the game is going to start. What do we get here? Getting these points and increasing our position in the rank system. Have you guys played this game before? What kind of games? Let me know. For anyone just joining, we are trying to unlock this game's potential. If you are new here, welcome in. Just vibing on Pet Hooligan. This is the name of the game. It's really fun. Hello. Bro. Buddy? Are you sleeping? You're sleeping, wake up. This is Team Deathmatch, right? Yes. Don't run, don't run. There's no way. There's no way to go. We need to find a better weapon. Oh, there's a sniper. I think this is a sniper. Yes. Where are they? Come here. You're dead. You're dead. Oh shit. Miss my punches. Let's go. Got a bazooka. Look at this guy. Why are you running, man? Come on! Oh, we lost him. Oh shit. Goodbye. Oh my god, I think he killed me. With that HP, he killed me. Crazy. OP. I'm busy, sorry. Who killed me? There was someone under me. Do you think this screen is so small? Or it's better? What just happened? You camper? You just killed yourself? We don't like cheaters. He's 1 HP. They really have big heads. So easy to headshot. You were good, but you just decided to stay here. They have run. That move won't save you, buddy. Oh no. Nice shot. I'll back, guys, 1 second.